let's go to our today's lesson. Our today's lesson focuses on parts of our body. Good. Can you name some of them? Children, now I'm going to show and name my parts of body. Look, I'm touching my hair. Hair, hair. Forehead, forehead. Eye, eye. Ear, ear. Mouse, mouse. Lip, lip. Tongue, tongue. Teeth, teeth. Cheek, cheek. Chin, chin. Face, face. Neck, neck. Shoulder, shoulder. Chest, chest. Good. Let's move to the next activity again. Children, let's do the activity together. What is this? What is this? If you say, it is hair, you're right. It is hair. What is this? If you say, it is forehead, you're right. It is forehead. What is this? What is this? If you say, it is ear, you are right. It is ear. Look, what is this? What is this? If you say, it is eye, you are right. It is eye. Look, what is this? If you say, it is nose, you are right. It is nose. Children, look at the picture, please, and name the parts of the body. Have you done it? That's good. Let's do it together. Look at number 1. What do you call it? If you say, it is hair, you are right. Try to spell it. If you say, H A I R, you are right. Let's move to the next question. Look at number 2. What do you call it? If you say ear, you are right. Can you spell it, please? If you say E A R. You are right. Please look at number 3. What do you call it? If you say nose, you are right. Can you spell it, please? If you say N O S E, you are right. Let's move to the next question. Look at 4. What do you call it? If you say tease, you are right. Can you spell it, please? If you say T E E T H, you are right. Look at number 5. What do you call it? If you say tongue, you are right. Can you spell it, please? If you say T O N G U E, you are right. Let's move to the next number. Look at number 6. What do you call it? If you say mouse, you are right. Can you spell it? If you say M O U T H, that's right. Let's move to the last number. Look at number 7. What do you call it? If you say I, you're right. Can you spell it, please? If you say E Y E, that's right. Children, let me summarize our today's lesson. Today we have learned about parts of the body, such as hair, forehead, eye, ear, nose, mouth, lip, tongue, teeth, cheek, chin, face, neck, shoulder, chest. Children, that's all we have for today. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.